Hello, I'm Anton, and in this short demo I will show you how OmegaCloud can simplify application deployment. Many people often forget that application is not just a piece of code. Modern applications are complex. They comprise runtime, data layers, vector stores, file storages, observability components, and so on. Traditional cloud service providers can, of course, provision everything you need to run the application, but everything is treated as a separate building unit. So you need to deploy everything separately and then stitch them back together. This is where OmegaCloud differs from everything else. OmegaCloud can inspect the code, detect, and automatically provision everything you need for your application. And in this demo, I will show you how it works. First of all, I will show you the customer's, the developer's perspective. For this demo, I have a simple application that is written on Python and use ClickHouse as a database. To run this application on OmegaCloud, I simply type omega run. So OmegaCloud detects programming languages, extracts dependencies, services needed, and deploys the application as a single configuration unit. So you don't need to deploy database separately and then stitch it to your application. Everything is done automatically. So we have our application deployed and running on this domain. So we can see that OmegaCloud spinned up the server, installed the required software, installed ClickHouse, configured it, uploaded our application to the server, and then run everything needed to make our application live. Now I want you to show the same example, but from a little bit backend administrative perspective. So I have this application on my GitHub account, and I will use administrative demo interface to show you step by step how OmegaCloud works. So the first step is to get the code. So we cloned the code from GitHub repository, and we need to inspect this code. So we run the inspection stage, and from this code, OmegaCloud understands that this code is written in Python. It uses framework Unicorn. It uses these dependencies that need to be installed, and the services we need to deploy separately. So we have ClickHouse as a database. It can be Postgres, it can be MySQL, Redis, whatever you need for your application. It is detected automatically. Then we define the architecture of our application. It can be single instance, simple architecture. It can be multi-tier application with separate instances for application and databases. And it can be distributed high availability clusters for everything. So I choose standard multi-tier, and I use standard production scale. Okay. We defined our architecture, and OmegaCloud suggests two servers, application server and ClickHouse server for our app. Then we spin up the infrastructure. Okay, servers are done. We have IP addresses, IDs, and so on. After that, we set up infrastructure. So on setup stage, OmegaCloud installs the required software like ClickHouse, Python, and what we need for our app. That's done. Our setup is ready, and now we can go further to application deployment. We deploy our app, and the code is uploaded to the application instance, and the dependencies like drivers, libraries, and so on are installed on the application server. That's done, and the next step is just running. Okay, the application ran successfully, and OmegaCloud provides us the IP address to use the application in our use cases. So in the end, we can destroy our app and clean up the infrastructure. So in this demo, you saw how OmegaCloud empowers developers to run their projects quickly and effortlessly. At OmegaCloud, our mission is to deliver the best user experience for modern backend AI and machine learning applications. while staying truly framework agnostic and SDK independent. If you want to try OmegaCloud, click the link below, register, get the free credits, and start deploying right away. And I also invite you to check our other videos where we dive into machine learning models, scheduling jobs, and more. Stay tuned.